Mutahid, a word that signifies unity, a bond that transcends borders and time. For over 50 years, the United Arab Emirates and United States of America have built a partnership based on a shared vision of progress and prosperity. Early diplomatic efforts forged a strategic partnership and lasting friendship. We've paved the way for a future full of promise, dedicated to regional stability and economic opportunity. Together, we are shaping the future. Our collaboration extends across trade, investment, and groundbreaking advancements in AI and clean energy. Together, we rise, leading the way to prosperity. From space exploration to scientific discovery, the UAE and the USA stand united in the pursuit of knowledge. We've trained astronauts, expanded scientific boundaries, and explored the cosmos together. Through education, healthcare, sports, and the arts, we've built bridges that bring people closer together. Across continents, we foster understanding, respect, and friendship. United by values, connected by people, creating a bond that enriches both nations. We share a strategic, dynamic partnership built on trust and a common goal, ensuring safety and security for our nations and beyond. From military cooperation to diplomatic leadership, Mutahid. In an uncertain world, we remain committed to peace and stability. Together, we embrace the opportunities ahead, Mutahid. Together, we are building the next chapter of our relationship, united by our past, inspired by our present, and focused on a brighter future for both of our countries and people. The United Arab Emirates and the United States of America, Mutahid, for a prosperous future for all.